Hello there. Thank you for using the CU Class online teaching platform. Today we're going to talk about how to record recorded courses. From CU Class main page, click Launch Course. Suppose that you've already registered with CU Class. You can sign in to CU Class with Google, Facebook, a preferred email, or a mobile phone. Here I'll use Google, the single sign-on function. And now this brings us to the CU Class main page. On the left-hand side, we may see a list of essential features. Let me just give you a quick glance at what the features are for. First is online school management. This special feature allows us to customize and establish a personal online schooling platform for students to study through the internet. If you're interested in learning about how to set up an online school platform with CU Class, please feel free to get in touch with us. Next is Manage Course. Manage Course includes interactive course, series interactive courses, and recorded courses. Number one is interactive course. We have talked about it in a separate video, so if you're interested, you may go check it out if you have time. The second is series interactive courses. This we'll talk about it in a different video too. And the third is recorded courses. This is the highlight of our video today, and I'll talk more about it later. Next is unpaid courses. This is when the user launches a new course in CU Class and then you encounter insufficient points balance. However, CU Class will allow you to launch a new course with no hassle at all, and you may recharge afterwards. Next on the list is Manage User. This is another important highlight of our video today. This is the building block for each classroom, the list of students and teachers. We'll get to that in a bit too. Next is Asset Management. This is a page where it displays all CU Class points and transactions that had happened in the system. And down on the list is Manage Account. Manage Account helps you manage your personal profile and information. And last is New User Guide. This is a short video introduction that is currently available in Chinese. Now that we're done with the introduction, we go to Manage User to show you how to create and manage new student lists. As I've mentioned, student lists are the basic building blocks for each classroom. Although you may have the chance to compile your student list along the way while you're creating your online courses, we strongly recommend that you compile your student list at the very start. So first and foremost, we need to create a group. So click Add Group. The idea is similar to creating folders before you start adding students. Students can be easily categorized according to your needs. So here in the pop-up window, fill in the group name, the description, and group type. For group type, it shows two options, student group and teacher group. For student group, this is when you are a teacher or host and you're selecting students for your classroom. And for the teacher group, this is when you're an institution and you wish to assign a teacher to teach in a particular classroom. Here I'm going to be launching a recorded course, and I'm the teacher, so I'm going to be choosing the student group and confirm. Yes. After confirming, this will take us back to the Manage Users page. You may now see the new group that you've created. So we need to add new students into our group, and we click on the new group name right on top. And here in this page, we click on the Add User, click, and this window will ask us to fill in the country code and the telephone number, which are optional, but you have to fill in the name and the email. And here I'm going to show you if I enter an existing email inside this that's already exists inside the system, what's going to happen. So here I'm going to click confirm, and a message will show up. It says it already exists. So I'm going to click confirm because I'm going to add this into my group here. Okay. And also in most cases, if you have many students, you can use the batch import to import more lists. So you click on batch import, and this will provide you, if you click on this link here, it will provide you with an Excel spreadsheet for you to download and compile your student list at once. And there are written instructions to help you complete the spreadsheet. So once done, and the spreadsheet is saved inside your computer, you can select the file. So we click on the upload to look for the file, and here's a list of students that you've compiled with the spreadsheet, and you start upload. And here you click replace and import. And so inside this your group folder, you can say that, you can see your complete list of students inside the group. Now we go back to the Manage User page, and this is also where you can see that you have successfully added your additional list of students inside the group. The number here will show differently, and that's done. Once we're done creating a student list, we'll now show you how to launch a recorded course. So here you click on Recorded Course, and first you can see that CU Class offers 10 gigabytes of free cloud space. This is for you to save your pre-recorded videos. And here on the left it displays the amount of used space. And to the right is the maximum storage capacity you are permitted to use. So to know more about the CU Class cloud space, you click on Manage Storage Space here. And this will allow you to manage or delete your uploaded recordings and videos. You may also purchase extra CU Class storage space here too. So you click on Purchase Storage Space, and there prompts a window, and you can see that you can choose the required storage size and the length of time for reserving the space. So next we go back, we cancel this first, and we go back to show you how to create a recorded course by clicking on Recorded Course again. Click Add Course. Similar to interactive live courses, a pop-up window is prompted. Again, there are two tabs. First is Course Information. Second is Advanced Settings. We'll talk about course information first. Here you fill in the course title and course description. And next is front cover of pre-recorded online course. This is something similar to the cover of a soundtrack album. And when you hover your mouse over the box, you can see an edit, and you click on it. This is for you to attach an image file. You choose and upload. Okay, next is the source type. Here you can see there are two different types of source types. The first is local source, which refers to your pre-recorded videos, and the second is the live streaming platform. This is where you can insert the video's URL link. But for now, we're going to talk about setting up a recorded course using your local source, which is your files. So you might want to scroll down a tiny little bit, and you may see this section underneath. And here, you hover your mouse over this video thumbnail box, and you see edit, and you click, This is for you to upload another image for your video, a video thumbnail. So you choose one and upload. And next you click Add Video. And you choose your video file and upload. And to the right, by default, the name of your file will appear in this box here, or you may also choose to enter the name of your course manually. And now to the very right, there are 4 function buttons. The first is Add or Plus. This allows you to add additional rows for you to attach more videos. So you click on Add, and I'll demonstrate how to add a second row of video. So similarly, you click Edit, and you find the thumbnail that you need, upload, and you click Add Video again. It's basically repeating the same actions again, and then by default, the name of your course will be on the right. And you can also delete this existing files if you need to. But now I'm going to show you how to use these. These are just for you to rearrange your sequences if you need to. So here I click on up and down. Okay. For this section, there's a couple of reminders. Number 1, the maximum storage capacity is 30 gigabytes. Maximum for a recorded course. Say if you have prepared 10 videos for a single course, but now I only have 2, but if you have 10, for example, not only would you have 10 rows down the page, you might want to also do a little math to keep the aggregate size of all your files below 30 gigabytes. However, at the top right here, you can see that this system is pretty smart. This is a useful tool. It displays the current total as you upload. But number 2, however, you also might want to keep in mind that as I mentioned previously, there is only 10 gigabytes of free cloud space. So if you go beyond 10 gigabytes, please remember to buy more space if needed. And now we'll talk about video display. Video display is the number of days the recorded course is available for students to access and view. For example, you click and you may see a duration of 1 week, 1 month, and the maximum is unlimited. And please note that the cost for each duration may vary. So for now, I'm going to click 1 week. And down the list is the student list. So this is where you add in the participants for this recorded course, either by hand-picking students from a previously established group list or by adding newcomers via batch import. As I've mentioned earlier, it's better to be prepared by having the student list ready at hand. However, don't worry. CU class is extremely flexible, so you may add students to join at almost any point in time. So I'm going to be adding a student list here and confirm. And now we scroll and check and confirm. Okay. And we're back into this Add Course window, and I scroll up for the Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced Settings. And also similar to setting up interactive courses, we have the watermark settings. And here we are given a choice to enable or disable watermarks. Enabling watermarks can help protect the teacher's intellectual property. And what the watermark feature does is that at the students end, their screen will have their personal names drifting from one corner to the other. The purpose of this is to prevent the occurrence of illegal behaviors and activities that may violate copyright. And here I'm going to enable watermark. And last is the email notification section. You fill in the subject, title, and the note. And then you submit. And this is when, paid and email. And this is when you successfully set up a recorded course. An email notification will be sent to the student's email inbox to join the class. Now we'll talk about how to view recorded courses. After you've successfully created a recorded course, as a teacher, if you like to view the uploaded results, you click on the course name here, or you can click on the timetable button. The system will bring you to the CU class timetable. And on the upper right-hand corner, you can make sure that you are the teacher to be more accurate. And at the center, there is a calendar which keeps tabs on the different dates and courses. And underneath, it shows the interactive courses that are available for today. And tucked underneath, you scroll down to find the recorded online courses here. So you click on the title that you wish to view, and in the pop-up window you may choose the video you desire to watch. So you click on it.
Hi, thank you for joining us here.
Okay, now next, if you are the student, once the email notification appears in your inbox as shown here, go ahead and open the email. And inside the email, you can find a URL link. Click on the URL, and you'll be immediately redirected to the CU class platform. And here you can find the subject title of the course you're assigned to, and what type of course it is. It's a recorded course in this case, and the name of your teacher. And beneath you can see a button for you to join the class. Click on the button. And we assume that you've already registered with the CU class system. So here is a single sign-on button. You click on it. And a pop-up window will show up. And you can choose which video you wish to watch. Now we try clicking on a thumbnail to watch the video. And in here, you can also see that a watermark is floating on top of your screen. It's going to go from one corner to the other, and this is to protect copyrights. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.